Alright, yo, what's going on? I hope everyone's blessed. Safe for tuning in. Another video today. Realized in my last video, or one of my last videos, I done the Insta360 Go 2 review, right? But I had a little snapshot of a time lapse of me unboxing it, but didn't actually show you the unboxing itself. So this video is going to be showing you guys the unboxing, so you can get a proper experience. Plenty of videos out there, but you're on my channel, so let's show you what's going on. Yeah, man, just kick back, relax, enjoy it. Literally, I'm just gonna let it run. That is it, man. But I just want to say a big shout out, safe for the love, the support, keep sharing. I see every single one of you that's following on the socials as well. So yeah, man, appreciate it. Bless, peace, love. Drink water. This is looking hella booky, but okay. You get me? I feel like they got me with this. Like, I was looking at this like, is this the one that comes from their website? I doubt it. Let's even have a look. No, this ain't the one that comes from their website, bro. This is some next thing. Huh. Look at this packaging. Anyway, let me get this out of the way. Okay, it's magnetized. Very small. Quite a sturdy hinge, to be fair. That's quite nice. That's not going anywhere. That's decent. That's decent. That feels like they're gonna break in 2 seconds. But in emergencies, I guess it does the job. This charges it. But all in all, to have this as a wide angle camera ready to go in your pocket, oh that's nice. This clips into this actually, you get me? What's that, USB-C as well? So that's decent. Let's just have a look at this thing. Oh, it's one of them ones screen thing. Ain't got the screen thing. Hat clip. Let's get a hat. No, hat. The only thing about this is that, are you supposed to open this? How do you fix this? Like, this is a bit wild. I feel like, for man to, like, there's no. Hold on. I like what I like off. Fine, no light then. No light then, that's calm. We've got good daylight as it is right now. Luckily enough. We should be alright, I hope, man, sure, but this thing is being a bit raw. You see them kind of mistakes there? Man nearly hooked it on this. Anyway, man, that completes our unboxing, innit? Here's the main stuff. Here, come on.